Good morning all of you. Today we have to attend two classes, one of Hindi rhyme and another of maths. Okay, we have learned Hindi rhyme. Now we are going to going to practice maths. Okay, today's maths topic is addition. Today's maths topic is addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N, addition. Okay. What is addition? Addition is just like in Hindi as we were doing. जोड़कर मात्रा जोड़कर शब्द बनाओ means there is a symbol of add. In Hindi there is a symbol of add. In the same way in maths we have to do addition. Okay, just suppose that this is one leaf, this is a leaf. Okay, and these are 1, 2, 3 leaves. Okay, how many leaves? 3 leaves. Now what we have to do, we have to add it. If anybody asks that how many leaves are there, total number of leaves, how many leaves are there, then we have to do addition. Okay, this is the symbol of addition. Okay, this is one leaf and these are 3 leaves. Then we have to add 1 and 3. Here 1 and 1, 2, 3. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. Total leaves are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total leaves are 4. Then we have to write here 4. Okay, we have to write here 4. In the same way, if I have one ball and I have to add one more ball, then how many balls? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Suppose that it is one tree. How many tree? 1. And I have to add 1, 2. 2 trees more. I have to add 2 trees more. Means here it is 1 and 1, 1. 1, 1 means 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. How many trees? 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. How many trees? 3 trees are there. How many trees are there? 3 trees are there. Okay. In the same way, I have a star. Okay. And you have to add 1, 2, 3. How many stars? 3 stars. You have to add 3 stars more. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stars? It is 4 stars. Okay. In the same way, it is egg. 1, 2 eggs. And you have to add 1, 2, 3. 3 more eggs. Means it is 2 eggs and 1, 2, 3. It is 3 eggs. How many total eggs? How many? 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. How it is? It is written 2 na? Means we have to draw 2 lines. 1, 2. How many lines we have to draw? 2 lines. And here it is written 3. Then how many lines we have to draw? 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 and here 1, 2. Means total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? It is 5. Okay. Okay, understood or not? It is addition. It is called addition. Some more examples. If you want to see, then it is 1 apple, it is 2 apples, it is 3 apples. These are 3 apples. And if we have to add 1, 2, 3 more apples, if we have to add 3 more apples in previous 3 apples, if we have to add 3 more apples in previous 3 apples, then how many will be here. Then 1, 2, 3. How many it is? 3. Here plus. Here 3. Then how much it will be? How many it will be? Then we have to draw the lines 1, 2, 3. Okay, and here 1, 2, 3. Now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many it happens? It happens 6. It happens 6. 6 apples are there. Okay. How many apples are there? There are 6 apples. How many apples are there? There are 6 apples. Okay. More example. I think there is no need of more example. Okay. Now it was the first way how to learn addition. Now the second way. Second way is that if we are written 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 we have to add, we have to total, we have to count it. Then 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, it is 2. It is very simple. So we are writing 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. If here it is written 2 and plus and 3. Now what have to do? Now what have to do? We have to draw the lines for understanding how many numbers will be. Okay, then it is written 2. Upward it is written 2. Means 1, 2 lines we have to draw. Here written 3. 1, 2, 3. How many lines? 3 lines. Now what have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to count total. We have to add it. We have to count down total. Okay, then what will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. In the same way, if here it is given 6 and it is given 2, then what have to do? Then what have to do? We have to draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many lines we have to do? We have to draw 6 lines upward, and what is written down? It is written 2. Then how many lines we have to draw? We have to draw 2 lines. Okay. Then now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What happened? What is total? Total is 8. Total is 8. I think you are understanding very well. Now let us very sincerely look at here. If we found that it is 0 and here it is plus and it is given 1, what will happen? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing and it is 1. Then how many it happened? It happened 1. Okay. In the same process, it is given 9 plus 0. Means 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. And here it is given 9. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is given 9. Then how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines are there. How many lines are there? There are 9 lines. Then it means it will be 9. Total will be 9. Okay. Now these are not for writing in the copy. These are only for understanding. Okay. Now we are going to write in the copy. Then open your maths copy and write down date. What is the date? Today's date is 20. Today's date is 25. 25 8 2020. 25 8 2020. Okay. Now write down date. Then what will we have to do? We have to write down the topic, that is addition. 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 What is the topic? Topic is addition. Okay. Now in the last example we have drawn the lines. In the last example we have drawn the lines, and on the basis of that example we have to solve the maths. Okay. I am giving you some more examples, then I will give you some homeworks also. Okay, now let us do. Here I have written 2 plus 1. Now this block is empty. This block is empty. Then how many lines we have to draw? Here written 2 na. We have to draw 2 lines. Here written 1. We have to draw 1 line. Count down 1, 2, 3. Total will be 3. Okay. Now here we have to write 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Now this box is empty. This box is empty. Then what have to do? Draw the 4 lines at first, then 2 lines, then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total will be 6. Now here write down 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. Okay. Now draw the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and down 1, 2, 3. Now total will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here it is 9. Okay. Total will be 9. In the same process, 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. And this block is empty. Now what have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here 1. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is 10. Total will be 10. Okay? Understanding now? Here I have written 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0. Just I told you that 0 means nothing. Then what have will be total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here nothing means total will be 7. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8. Okay. Now what will be? 0 means nothing and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here will be 8. Okay. Understanding now? Understanding? Now it will be in your school maths copy. This is classwork. Now this is homework in which I will not fill the blocks. You have to fill the blocks. Okay. I am writing here 1 plus 1 and box is empty. 2 plus 2. Box is empty. 3 plus 3. Box is empty. 4 plus 5. Box is empty. You have filled the boxes. Okay. Now 5 plus 3. 6 plus 2. 7 plus 3. 8 plus 2. 9 plus 1. Okay, let 9 plus 0. Okay, 9 plus 0. These are your homework. These are your homework and these were classwork. Okay. I think you have very well understood it. Okay, note down these are in your maths copy and do very sincerely so that you may not be difficulty in the class first. In your class first you will have to go in class first also na. Then note down this, practice more. Okay, thank you.